Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another video. So in today's video we are doing a get ready with me using all new products from Althea Korea, and I want to take this opportunity to thank Althea Korea for sending me such an amazing products. So for those of you who don't know, Althea Korea is a Korean online store where you can find amazing Korean product, and for me living in Canada, it's really hard to find authentic Korean products. So Althea Korea make it easy for us who live internationally in other country to be able to purchase some Korean product. As you guys know, Korean products are well known for their amazing skincare products and their lip tint as well. So I'm very excited to share with you guys the look that I'm going to come up with using all the product that they send me. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, I want to set my face using this Althea Korea Petal Velvet Powder. And if you watch my previous Althea Korea unboxing, you will know that I received 3 of their powder. So for today, I'm gonna use their translucent powder just to set all my foundation. It also comes with this, but I personally just like to use makeup brush to set my powder. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. The powder, it actually smells really good, so I'm just gonna set that all over my face. Whew. I'm gonna use their concealer. This is their Flawless Creamy Concealers, and I believe they sent me 4 different shades, and the shade that I'm using right now is called Honey. This concealer right here is the one that I also use to clean up my eyebrows. So we'll just put here and right here, just under my eye, and here, and a little bit here, and some of those dark spot or pimples, that blemishes that I want to cover. It actually smells really good. For some reason, their product smells amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a small beauty sponge, and I'm using just my makeup spray to wet it. Oops, just like that. And let's go ahead and blend it. I would say that this is very creamy, but it's not full coverage. I'll just put a little bit more because I have like a circle right there, and I will blend. As you can see, I still have a little bit of dark spot right there, but I would say this concealer is amazing for your everyday makeup look. Not so much with like night out or anything, because it's just a medium coverage. It's not a full coverage concealer, so but it's very lightweight. It smells amazing. And then we are gonna set that again with the translucent powder. They sent me this eye palette Sunrise Moonrise, and then this is how the shades looks like. This eye palette Sunrise and Moonrise BCL and Althea. It's a collaboration with Buga Citra Lestari, who is an Indonesian singer and actress that have graced the screen of many across Southeast Asia. affectionately known to her fan as BCL. She's also a beauty and fashion icon that exudes style, beauty, and feminine. This eyeshadow has 8 shades that will take you from daytime to nighttime, which includes shimmers, matte, and glitters. So as you guys can see, I've used it twice already, but the one thing I noticed is there's a lot of fallout, especially this one here, and I usually use this kind of shade for my everyday makeup look, and we'll go ahead and use that all over my eyelid. Next, we are going into this like dark shades right here, and I'm just gonna put it right on. So I want to try this purple one right here. I never done any purple eye makeup before, but today we are gonna try this. Like, as you can see, there's a lot of fallout. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Wow, that is dark. This purple here is pigmented. I'm just gonna blend that. And then I want to try this yellow. Wow, that's pigmented. Let's try the, wow, that's pretty. I'm gonna use the gold one. So this gold glitter is very, very easy to blend, and it's so beautiful. It works really well with the purple. And I'm actually gonna go back to that purple and just a little bit more here on top of it. So there you have it. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll make sure to link all the products that I use on this tutorial below. Thank you guys once again for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next video.